In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop-loss order on Robinhood. Whether you're brand new to investing or just want a little extra help managing your trades, knowing how to set a stop-loss can give you greater peace of mind and help protect your portfolio from unexpected downturns. Let's walk through the process one step at a time so you know exactly what to do. To begin, go ahead and open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the Robinhood website on your computer. Take a moment to log in using your account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your portfolio and a list of the stocks or ETFs you currently hold, or perhaps stocks you've been watching. Next, you'll want to choose the specific stock or ETF that you'd like to set a stop loss for. Tap or click on that investment to access its detailed page. Here, you'll find real-time information about that particular stock or ETF, including its current share price, historical data, and other relevant statistics. Now, look for the Trade button. It's typically located towards the bottom or center of your screen, depending on the device you're using. Tap or click on Trade, and then select the Sell option. At this point, Robinhood will ask you how you'd like to structure your sell order. From the order types provided, go ahead and select Stop Loss. Setting a stop loss simply means you're instructing Robinhood to automatically sell your shares if the price drops to a level you're not comfortable with. It's a great way to help minimize your loss if the market moves against you. You'll now need to enter your stop price. That's the price at which you want your shares to be sold automatically if the market price falls to or below this threshold. Take your time to decide on an amount that fits your risk tolerance and investing goals. Remember, once the stop price is triggered, your shares will be sold at the next available market price, which could end up a bit lower than your stop price during periods of high volatility. After you've chosen your stop price, go ahead and specify the number of shares you want to include in this stop loss order. Whether it's just a portion or your entire position, make sure you're entering the correct quantity. Once everything looks good, review your order details carefully. Double check the stock or ETF, the stop price, and the number of shares to be sold. If everything is correct, click the Sell button to place your stop loss order. If you need to make changes, you can go back and adjust your settings before finalizing. That's all there is to it. You've now set up a stop loss order on Robinhood, giving you a helpful tool to manage your investments and protect your hard-earned money from steep losses. If you found this walkthrough useful, be sure to check out our other guides for more helpful tips on navigating your investment journey. Thanks for watching.